To review your past Remitly transfers, open the Remitly app or go to remitly.com and sign in with your email and password. Now, once you're in, tap the menu icon in the top left corner to bring up your account options. Select history or transactions. This will show a chronological list of all your transfers from the most recent to the oldest. Scroll through to find the specific transaction you're looking for, or use the search bar at the top to filter by recipient name, amount, or date. Now, when you spot the transfer you need, tap on it to view full details, the amount sent, fees charged, exchange rate applied, delivery method, and timestamps. From here, you can also download or email yourself a PDF receipt so you have proof of payment whenever you need it. If you ever notice a discrepancy or need further help, hit the help button on the transaction screen to contact Remitly support right away. This made checking your Remitly history a breeze. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quick money saving tips.